Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eriza Molani from B class. Now I want to tell about my opinion about the curriculum. And the second one, I want to tell what I learned from Michael Lister and Richard's book. And the last, my perspective about the curriculum design. In my opinion, the curriculum is a learning plan. This curriculum is very important in the progress of education in Indonesia. With the curriculum, we can know the purpose of an education. As in Indonesia, there have been several curriculum change. There are both the positive and negative side to this change. The curriculum in Indonesia is developed and agreed upon the Ministry of Education and Culture with the teacher involved. For students, the function of the curriculum is as the tools to measure how much they know about they are learning in education. And in addition, the function of the curriculum for students is to make it easier for the make schedule. They will make it later. With this schedule, they can divide the time to do the work that must be done of several teachers. What I learned from John McAllister book, they're from chapter 1, language curriculum design. Curriculum design is some kind of writing activities who can useful be studied as process. It can be applied to curriculum design. A model of part curriculum design process, the outer circle, include 3 parts, therefore environment, needs, principle. And the inner circle includes 3 parts too, therefore first content and squeezing, second format and presenting materials, the third monitoring and assessing. Besides that, there is also goals and evaluation. In chapter 2, environment analysis is called situation analysis or constraint analysis. Environment analysis involves looking at the factor that will have strong effect on decision about the goals and course to include the course and how to teach and assess it. And the factor can arise from learner, the teacher, and their teaching and learning situation. The purpose of this environment analysis is to find the situation factor that will great effect of the course. Chapter 3, need analysis, is to discover what needs to be learned and the learners want to learn. The need analysis is directed mainly at the goals and content of course, looking at the principles, make sure that the course fit with what we know about teaching and learning. Curriculum development in language teaching from Richard's book, chapter 1, the origin of language curriculum development, the history of curriculum development in language teaching start with the notion of syllabus design. A syllabus is specification of the content of the course of instruction and lists what will be taught and test. Curriculum development is more comprehensive process and syllabus design. Language teaching began in the 20th century. This method, as the following chronology, illustrate with that suggesting period of greatest domains. First, grammar translation method, direct method, structural method, reading method, audiolingual method, and communicative approach. In chapter 2, from syllabus design to curriculum development. Approach from syllabus design to curriculum development for new method in order to meet the changing need and learners. Developing for the structural situation approach to communicative language teaching or CLT. In addition, the needs and goals of English language teaching in terms of English specific purpose or ESP. In design curriculum, there are some basic part of curriculum component, which are the content, purpose of learning, and evaluation experience. The purpose of curriculum design is to achieve the best solution of problem solving by using the information the curriculum provides. In subject can usually set the minimum requirement for student so that student can move up. A curriculum design is also based on the goals of school that are found in society, meaning the problem that are faced and needed in social groups should be student studies such as curriculum. Example can be designed to preserve the cultural value of people, such as giving knowledge and skill to students according to established learning indicator. So that's all from me, more or less. I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.